She only come out at night. She's ready for the fight. I don't know the words, but she's a man-eater. Okay, Boomer.
Okay, Boomer.
You ready to blow some stuff up?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know why I keep doing that. Okay, Boomers, here we are at the after dark at the river park, and we're talking about a shell set, it looks like. What we got here, Jody?
We have got the Maneater shell kit.
Man.
By Danger Doll.
I think I remember this one, but I sure haven't seen it lit.
This is proprietary to Schneitter Fireworks in St. Joseph, Missouri.
Okay, I remember that road trip, right.
We brought these back.
I remember that hottie catching my eye in the store. Now that I look at her again,
that's
got really kind of an emo thing going on there.
Really cool box,
isn't it?
Really cool packaging. I get a kick out of the shells themselves. You can see they're half black and half purple.
Okay.
Don't know anything about these. I've never shot anything from Danger Doll before outside of like a pack of firecrackers.
Okay, which that doesn't tell you much, right?
Doesn't tell you much of anything.
Right.
So really looking forward to this one. We've got our octo rack here, 12-shot octo rack.
Thank you again, Pyro Boom. That thing's awesome.
Yep.
All right.
We're gonna shoot 12 of these.
Okay.
And then we're gonna save 12 for something else.
Hey, how many effects does it have on there? Do you know?
It's got.
I know it's got a variety. We were looking at a couple of those before we started shooting here.
We were looking, and I think it has 24 different effects.
Oh, so we're not even going to see everything. We're going to see like half the stuff.
And it's got 12 of those effects have mines.
Monstrous mines, I think.
Monstrous mines, even. Yes.
Monstrous mines.
Yes.
And are these 5-inch? Does it say on there? I don't remember.
These are.
Are these 4-inch?
These should be 5-inch.
5-inch. All right.
We'll find out when we take everything out. But this, well, matter of fact, we can just
pop one open and take a look.
Yeah, we can pop this out.
It might be taped. Looks like you're having some trouble.
Yeah, that's taped on the sides.
I'll tell you what. We'll get it later. We don't need to do this on camera. Or no, now you got it.
Got it right here.
Where there's a will, there's a way. Oh, there goes the packing.
We're definitely going to light that up.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are 5-inch.
Okay, 5-inch.
5-inch.
All right, and purple and black.
Yep,
man,
purple and black.
Talk about emo.
Fiberglass tube in there.
She got her, what is that, kind of a Prohibition era hairstyle going there, or maybe a little after Prohibition. It's not really the flapper thing. I guess it's on into the 40s or something. All right.
Yeah.
You got the cool graphics on the tube there.
Yep, same graphics on the tube.
All right. What else we need to tell them, man?
That's it, man. We need to light this thing up. And
let's do it. We'll do it in just a bit. Hang with us, Boomers.
All right, Boomers, here we go. Maneater shells. And what we figured out when we took the kit apart and started loading them in here is the purple ones have the mines and the black ones do not have the mines. So we're going to start with a black one here, and we're going to go black purple on through. So we're going to alternate with the mines and without the mines, and just kind of work through the first 12 canisters in this kit. So here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Let's see if they keep up with that. This one should have a mine. Nice. All right. Number 3. Was nice too. Number 4. We do a lot of canister shells, boomers, and I can tell you these are loud. Nice color on that. I can't really see the brakes from where I am. I can't really tell how full the brakes are. I just know that these sound really nice. I really like that one. Nice mine on that. Oh yeah. Looks like a little red lace. Not sure that that's what that was, but kind of looked like that. Oh, I like those strobes. The more I see strobes, the more I like them. Oh yeah. Purple and green together. Nice combination. Where are we with this? We've got 2 left. Oh, there we go. Very nice. All right, last one, boomers. All right. Yeah. Those are loud. What do you think, Matt?
They pack some punch, man.
He's not mic'd up down there. I don't know if you can hear him. But that's all we got for this time, boomers. Hope you enjoyed that. Those were the Maneater shells from Danger Doll. And we'll see you next time.